What's up guys? Today's a little bit of a different video. We're gonna check out what it's like to go over to Blizzard Mountain in Forza Horizon 3 for the first time.
Hey Daniel, ready for a change of scenery? Warren's just finished prepping the car you'll be driving, and because I'm sure you're eager to get going, I've organized some transportation. Courtesy of Horizon, of course. Wait, you are not afraid of heights, are you?
I'm not gonna be doing too much talking today. We're just gonna basically check it out and have some fun. Let's go.
Boss, visibility is low, but this is the spot. Let me know when you're ready to drop. Floor it, mate. See you at the bottom. Looks like you got company. Snow tires should just about hold up on that frozen lake, boss. As long as it stays frozen. Never doubted you for a second.
Well, looks like we have officially arrived at the new Horizon Festival here in Blizzard Mountain. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a like. If you'd like to see more content just like this, subscribe to the channel and you won't miss out on anything. Once again, I'm Daniel. Hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.